Fixing minor crack in under 2-year-old Caravan. Mask up area. The worst thing is having more work from not being slightly OCD. Scrape the silicone out. They say remove the alloy strip. I say no. Cut silicone. Next video I'll show you how to sand. I've taken the area down to 400 grit. Cracks are through. Okay, you get the woven cloth, pull strands out like this, put them like this, put them like this. Then you put some masking tape around the end and trim that to size. One I prepared earlier, that resin, 5 parts, 1 part, awesome way to measure. In the acetone later, you literally need a bee's doodle. Simply somehow dunk that in. Nice and wet, like so, like so. And yes, this is hard to edit this and do everything. Put that in there like that. That in there like that. Out. Bloody 2 minutes. Make that flat, let it go off, trim that off, sand it, bit of filler, sand it, primer, paint it, take tape off, blow it out a bit. While that's going, I'm going to colour match. Okay, cut and polish. Variable buff, lamb's wool. Repair done. Put some heat gun on it to set it off or help it. Polish area before colour matching. Because when I colour match, paint that, I need a polish. So the colour has to be the same colour as a polished surface, like that. Unpolished. Now colour match. Matching. Start off some paint and hope it's the right colour. Cut to mix in black pigment primer. Yep, the first match. And that's going to have to be darker with that black. Paint dries darker than it's wet. I'll check in later and show you the process. There'll be 6 dobs there. Little bits, good way to do it. Oh, you can measure it. About 1 mil. We'll see how that goes. Give that a mix. And you touch up on the side and see how close it is. That's the first one, which is too light. That's the second one that is darker. You'll see how much it darkens when it goes dry. I already know I'm going to put another mil in. It's not light dark enough, but you'll see the step to get it to this colour. There we go. Got to get the right light to see if it's colour match. Believe it or not, the centre one, out of 8 times adding black, is right. That's gone off. I'll trim that up and sand it and fill it soon. And welcome back. trim, your little tab. Pass the repair, now I just got that to sand. Start off a little bit of 80 grit. Always fold the paper in threes. Doesn't move. Clogs up pretty quick. If the hairs are lifting up, you sand outwards, inwards. Just basically to get rid of the highs. All the highs are on top of the grey. They have to be, because else I wouldn't need it. Up motions. I'm not sure if you can see this. A little bit of a recess. I have to fill it and sand it. Just a little bit of primer, let's see how that goes. Give it a test so you're not spraying fluids. Let that dry, good 10 minutes, bit of heat gun, then you only have to wait 5 minutes. Give it a second coat, peel the tape off, sand it flat, top coat. Bit of heat always helps. Feels like Melbourne up here, wet and cold. So a bit of encouragement to hurry up. Second coat. I'm deliberately piling this on like a putty. Sand it down, top coat after lunch. And 120. I've masked up to protect the area. I didn't show the process, but I wet rubbed it, polished it, resealed along the edge with silicone. You always get a slight differentiation in colour. All done.